One of my recent reviews on my Google business listing, it came to me as a bit of surprise, but it simply said, Jessica is contactable. And it took me by surprise because I was like, well, yes, I'm contactable. Yes, you can pick up the phone and talk to me and I'll reply to your emails in a timely manner. It was a surprise, but also a blessing for me to recognize that me being contactable, being able to communicate with my clients in a timely manner, being able to deliver projects in a timely manner, and when I promise that I'll have a project to you completed by a certain date, it will happen. These are small, in my eyes, they're just small things that I do every day, but they make a big impact for the client, for the campaigns that we deliver. And this skill that I possess, this project management, communication, and simply being available to talk on a telephone at any time. And of course, we all miss phone calls, but I'll return them in a timely manner. You're not going to wait 3 or 4 days, or you won't hear from me from next week. You will hear back from me. And so I was really blessed to get that review to say that I'm contactable. It was a real gift as going, yeah, that is something that I do. I'm really pleased and I'm really proud to be able to deliver clear communication and prompt deliverables and deliver what I promise to my customers.